to record music on. If you wanted to lay down a track, you had to book a physical studio for hundreds of dollars a day, and that booking came with a sound engineer. But if you were the one assigned to Prince, you better pray you could keep up. In the words of his engineer, Susan Rogers,
if you did anything that slowed Prince down, you were out of there.
He preferred working with women in the studio. Why? Zero friction. Zero friction equals speed. Susan recalled how he'd come in. She'd handle the bass. He'd play it, put it down, jump on the keys, then grab the guitar. He'd play all the parts, sing the lead, sing the backing vocals while she mixed it live. Add the leads.
Bomba. One thing come like a well-oiled machine, be woman, because if you have a group of men around you sometimes, with a group of men, they will have a clash of egos. Everybody will think so this will go, so that for go waste it, women. You present an idea to a woman of sense, when a woman when a combative, a woman who want just go, you are say, it gel, although you can have the same thing with men too, but you know, there's gonna still be a little bit of a clash thing. That's why Michael left part from the Jacksons. But at our meeting. My opinion on that. Anywho.
Men who ran Prince's